Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, we will see together how to make Google Chrome your default browser on your Mac. So to do this, you just need to go and click on the Apple icon on the top left of the screen, and after that click on System Settings. On System Settings, you have Desktop and Dock. You need to click on it, this option, and after that scroll a little bit down until you find an option called Default Web Browser. Default Web Browser. And here you will find the web browsers available on your Mac. For me, for example, I have only Google Chrome and Safari. You may have another web browsers like, I don't know, Mozilla or Brave or any other web browser. You will find them on this list. So you just need to select your default web browser, and that's it. Like that, you will choose your default web browser on your MacBook. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to click on the like button, and see you in the next video.